welcome the new face of the WWE and the man who will face John Cena at Extreme Rules and bring legitimacy back to the WWE, Brock Lesnar.
Well, Brock Lesnar indeed has all the credentials. He was an NCAA heavyweight champion. He was a King of the Ring winner, a Royal Rumble winner, and a 3-time WWE champion. And then he went on to conquer UFC, where he became the UFC heavyweight champion. And now Lesnar is back.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Laurinaitis. I'd like to thank Mr. John Laurinaitis for having the wisdom to bring legitimacy back to the WWE.
Well, this week it is John Cena doing the interrupting.
And I don't know if this is a good idea to interrupt Brock Lesnar. A lot of combustible elements in that ring right now. Ooh! Oh my God!
And wait, here we go! Lesnar, take that Cena!
What in the world is John Cena done here?
And Lesnar and Cena are going at it! Oh, Tonga trying to separate. Here come the fists from the back.
What is Cena thinking? What? Everyone coming in here trying to get these two pulled
And
apart.
look at this, the locker room's empty. WWE superstars.
It may take everyone in this arena to get these two guys apart.
Somewhere in that sea of humanity, it's